Right, here we go. Should we do it then?
Yeah.
Hello guys. We got our chicken jerky satee. Me and my little man and a little spectator are gonna try some. Gonna get a piece.
Daddy, phone, Daddy. Daddy, phone.
I'll get a piece out. Let's have a little show each. Let's have a taste and see. Oh, you can't, Baba, not yet. It's tougher than a normal beef jerky, but it's got loads of flavour. What do you think?
A little bit spicy and tastes like curry.
A little bit spicy and a little bit of curry flavour, which is nice though, isn't it? Yeah. Oh well, it looks like it's a thumbs up from every one of you. I'll test out the next ones for what we ordered and post the video. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.